Why do so many developers hate JavaScript? There's actually only two major reasons for this. The first one is coercion and dynamic typing. When you write some code saying that you want to do something in JavaScript, JavaScript tries to make that happen instead of erroring out. For example, look at this line of code. I'm adding together a string 2 with a number 2. JavaScript wants to make this operation happen, and then when it sees a string here, it knows that plus is a valid operator for strings, so it just converts the 2 into a string using the toString method and gives us a string 22. Makes sense. Okay, I mean, that kind of makes sense. Here's another fairly simple example. If we have a number 2 minus a string 2, this is going to give us the number 0, and that's because minus is not a valid operator for strings, and because JavaScript wants to make this operation work, it will execute this by using the toInteger method of the string class. It's a little strange, but it still doesn't seem that bad. Well, it actually gets a little bit worse. Let's say I want to add together two arrays. Well, I can declare my first array here and my second one here, and then let's go ahead and add them together with the plus operator. Unfortunately, the plus operator does not exist for arrays in JavaScript, so it tries to turn both these arrays into primitives, and unfortunately the default for this is toString. So we get one string with this value. A little weird. Okay, yeah, I'd be pretty confused if I tried to add two arrays and got a string at runtime. And of course, coercion also applies when you use the loosely equal operator, so we get weird things like this evaluating to true. All right, I've heard enough. What's the second reason? The second reason is because JavaScript is actually a super popular language. Because there's so many developers that use it, there's going to be haters. If it's that popular and everybody hates it, why hasn't anybody done anything to make it more usable?